Students, this is DSE 2020 economics question paper, and today we will be solving from question number 24. So if player 1 is the row player and player 2 is the column player in these games, and G equal to UDLR and G equal to UDLR, these are provided. So payoff of the Nash and cannot get the payoff of, so it's about the Nash equilibrium. So consider the following, this given example here. Okay, so we can take an example directly. So G of UTLR, so if we can take it like 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 minus 1, and with respect to G dash, if we take U D L M and R, that is like 1 1 0 0 0 2 1 half 0 0 and 0 minus 1. So we can see that U comma L is the unique Nash of G, while D comma M is unique Nash of G dashed. So thus second's payoff is NE of G and may be higher than NE of G dash. So as a result of that, so we can easily construct the example where 2's payoff in G's is higher. So therefore the answer is, so second payoff of the national G may be higher, or second payoff of national G dash may be higher. So 4 is a possibility. 25.